हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू द फर्स्ट रैंक प्रो सिक्योरिटी academy, always on the top. So friends, as we assured you, on this particular channel we will be learn step by step the basics of all this market. Okay, so here today we have one more important term of this market, that is beta. So in particular in this video we will learn what is beta, what will be the definition of beta, the explanation regarding the beta, and we will learn the beta with the one example. So the beta value in the stock market, when the beta will be greater than 1, what will be the conclusion of that? When the beta will be equal to 1, what will be the conclusion of that? And one, when the beta of the share, particular share company's share price will be less than 1, then what will the conclusion of that we will be learn in this particular video. So friends, let's start. What is the beta first? So friends, here beta means beta is a measure of an asset's risk in relation to the share market. The beta. So beta is a measure of an asset's risk in relation to the share market. Share market, in compared to the share market, what is the risk of that particular share, that will be considered in the under the head of beta. Okay, so let's understood it with the next. So friends, like a stock, like a particular company's stock with a beta of 1.5 means that the stock typically move the 50% more than the share market in the same direction. Generally the beta 10%, and then the stock will rise by 15%. So here 1.5 beta, that means if the stock market, the total stock market will be rise 10% up, okay, then the stock price will go by 15%. Okay, that because it is 1.5 beta of that particular share. If the market fall by 10%, in the same way, if market fall by 10%, then the stock price of that particular company will also be fall by 15%. So this is the beta's explanation. Let's understood this beta with the help of one example. Let's say if a person purchases share price of 1000, if any company's share price of rupees 1000, and that share beta is 1.5, and the share market at that time is 30,000. Okay, so now if the price will go up by 10%, means if the market will go up by 10%, so the share market, we assume that it is 30,000, and if it will go 10% higher, that means 3,000 points if higher it will go, then the share market will become 33,000. Then in that case the share price of that particular company's share will go, if the company's share was 1000 rupees in past, and since the 10% has rise up by share market, so the price will of that particular share will also rise up 50%, since beta is 1.5 of that particular share, so is equal to 1500. So the share price will become 1500. So if the share market will go 10% up, then the share market, then that particular share price will go 50% up, since that particular share beta is 1.5. Now in the same way, in the reverse case, like if the share market will fall by 10%, means the market will fall from 30,000 to 27,000. How 27,000? 30,000 was in past, and 3,000 means 10% has fall, so it become 27,000. Then the share price of that particular share will be 500 rupees. How it will be the 500 rupees? Because in past the share price was 1,000, and 50% of that is 500 rupees, it has been fall, so the share price become 500 now. Okay, so friends, if the share market will go up 10%, then the share market, that particular share price will up by 50%, since the beta is 1.5. And if the share market price, if the share total market will fall by 10%, means okay, from 30,000 to 27,000, then the share price will fall 50% down, that means 500 it will go down, so 1000 to it will become 500. So any company's ideal beta price will be considered as 1 is equal to, if any company's beta is equal to 1, that will consider as ideal, means your investment is safe. If price of that particular share's beta price is more than 1, that means it's somehow riskier. And as if it will be go 1.5, 1.75 and 2, that means it is a higher riskier. If the beta price will be less than 1, that means it's a beta, your share price or your investment is safer. Okay, so less than 1 is considered, if beta is of particular share is less than 1, it will be considered safer side. If it will be equal to 1, that will be considered ideal. And if this beta of that particular, any particular share will be more than 1, that will be considered the higher riskier price. Okay, so students, hope you have understood about this the beta term. Now very soon we will be come out with the one new term of the share market. Till then, don't forget the like and comment about our video. Okay, we will come soon. Thank you very much and